Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I am going to teach you how to fix the try again later error on Threads. So when you try to use your Threads account or Threads app on your device and you encounter the try again later error on Threads, there are actually various ways that you can try to fix the error. So first way is to simply log out into your account and log back in and see if this fixes the problem. So to log out of your account, just tap onto your profile and then go to your settings by tapping onto the two horizontal lines on the top right corner of your screen, and then simply tap onto the log out on the most bottom section. It says log out, and then tap onto the log out. So after a few seconds, you should be able to see this on your screen and then just log in right away, or you can even try to wait for a few seconds or a few minutes. And then next, what you can do is to update your Threads app on your device. So updating the Threads app will get rid of any glitches or bugs that the previous version of the app had, which is causing this problem. So to update your Threads app, simply go to your Play Store and then search or type in the Threads app right here, just like that, and to see if an update is available for you. So, and if an update is available, just simply tap on to the update button. And the next, what you can do if that still didn't fix the problem, you can reinstall the Threads app on your device. So if the issue still persists, you can uninstall then reinstall the Threads app to reset any bugs or glitches that may be causing the error. So you can uninstall this by tapping onto this Play Store button, but you can also do that by going into your home screen on your device, then simply long press on the app, and then this window will pop up. It says app info, uninstall, and then share. So tap into the uninstall and then simply uninstall your Thread Store on your device, and then install it again by going again to your Play Store, then searching it on the search bar, and then simply installing it again. So that is all for this video, and I hope this helped you, and I hope the ways or the processes that I showed you fixed the problem. And if it did, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.